Hello everybody, welcome to MN Maths classes. Yesterday we have learned about vertical opposite angles, linear pair and adjacent angles. Today we will solve questions based on that angles. Question is, in the adjoining figure, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? What are adjacent angles? Yesterday we have learned about that. Adjacent angles are those angles whose have common arm and common vertex. Now check angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles or not. Here is angle 1. This one is angle 1. This one is angle 2. OC is common arm and O is the common vertex. So these are adjacent angles. Next is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE? AOC, AOE. Are these both are adjacent angles? Do it yourself and comment in the comment box. Next is, do angle COE, COE and EOD. COE angle 2 and complete angle EOD form a linear pair. We know that the linear pairs are those angle pair which is supplementary and as well as adjacent angles. So these both are adjacent angles also makes a supplementary angles. So this one is a linear pair. Yes, this one is a linear pair. RBOD, BOD and DOA. BOD and DOA. BOD and DOA are supplementary angles. Yes, both the sum is 180. So this is a supplementary angles. Next is angle 1 vertical to opposite angle 4? It is angle 1 is vertical to angle 4? Yes, because AB and CD are intersecting lines and common vertex is O. So 1 and 4 are vertical angles. Yes, angle 1 is equal to angle 4. What is vertical opposite angle of angle 5? Now check, angle 5 is this. These are intersecting lines. So the opposite angle of angle AOD is angle COB or BOC. Next question is, indicate which pairs of angles are vertical opposite angles. Now what are vertical opposite angles? Vertical opposite angles are those who are opposite one another of specific vertex and are created by two straight intersecting lines. So check where are the intersecting lines. Here this one is, these are both intersecting lines. So here angle 1 and angle 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4 are vertical opposite angles. So here we get angle 1 and angle 4. Angle 5 is equal to angle 2 plus 3. Angle 5 is equal to angle 2 plus 3. Both are vertical angles. Now linear pair. What are linear pair? Linear pairs is a pair that is adjacent supplementary angles. Adjacent angles which means next to each other, and supplementary means the sum of these angles should be equal to 180 degree. So this one is a straight line and here is a common arm. So angle 1 and angle 5 is linear pair. So angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. So this is a linear pair. Now next, this one is straight line, common arm is this. So angle 4 and 5 is also makes a linear pair.